This interior render was created entirely in Lumion. No Photoshop, no post-production, and no external plugins. In this video, I'll show you the exact Lumion presets workflow I use to create ultra-realistic interior renderings that look client-ready. If you are an architect, designer, or visualization artist, this will save you hours on every project. No Photoshop, no post-production, just Lumion, and this is the result. Let's start with lighting because this is where most interior render fails. Hello everyone, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Before Lumion, realism starts with the model. Whether you're modeling with Revit, SketchUp or ArchiCAD, make sure your model is clean and detailed. Remove unnecessary lines and hidden geometry. This is the model. We have the model here. So now the next thing we are going to do, which is the step 2, import model into Lumion. There are different ways to import model to Lumion. Like this one, I'll use the Lumion Live Sync. If you've not installed the Live Sync for Revit or for SketchUp, I've made a video on how to install it. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description section. Start the Lumion Live Sync. Alright, we have the model here. Always check your scale and orientation. Adjust the height if needed and place correctly on ground. Step 3. Apply realistic materials. Materials are where most people fail. If your materials look flat, your render will look fake. Replace default materials with Lumion standard or PBR materials. In this case, we are going to use Lumion standard materials. Let's start with the wall. Let me select it, edit it. I'm gonna use white. Adjust the colorization, then the reflectivity. Let's adjust it a bit. That's perfect. I'll use the same material for the ceiling. So I will select it and copy and paste it here for the ceiling. This part here, I want to use wood material. Select it, wood. I think this is cool. Let me edit it. Adjust the reflectivity. Now the color. I think that's perfect. Now for the lights. Let me adjust the colors. I'm gonna use white. Click on show more. The settings, increase this, the emissive. Okay, we have the light now. Let's change this base material to black. Reduce the reflectivity and the glossiness. Let's change the chandelier material. Select it, standard. Let's use this. Let's use this color. Reduce it a bit. Then let's light it up. Then for the floor, select it, stone. Let's use this material for the floor. Then we need to increase the reflectivity and the glossiness. Then this glass here, let's change to pure glass. You can as well increase the reflectivity. Now for the couch, let's change the material. Let's use this leather white. Then edit the material. Let's use gray. Increase this a bit. Then the reflectivity, we need to reduce it. Then for the wall light, let's change this. Then I use gray, dark gray, reduce the reflectivity. Let's apply the same material to this standing lamp first. Then for the glass, let's use turn it on. Now for the color, then we will use the same light over here, copy and paste it. Let's increase. Always note that lighting is the most important part of interior realism in Lumion. You can use the area lights for ceiling lighting. Use the spotlight for essence. Let's use the spotlight here. Let's use this particular spotlight. Select all of them. Select all the identical objects. Now the cone angle. Let's increase this. The brightness, let's reduce it a bit. Always mix warm and cool lights slightly, and also avoid overexposed windows. I think this is okay for now. Camera compositions and setting. A bad camera angle can destroy a great scene. Always use 2-point perspective and a camera height of between 1.4 to 1.6 meter. Let's pick the camera. Okay, I think this is okay. Set the eye level to 1.6. Okay, eye level of 1.4 is okay. Store the camera. Let's save the project. Always avoid extreme wide angles and also focus on storytelling, not showing everything. We have a glass here which we can see outside. So we need to add some realistic components outside like the trees. Let's place some trees. Before we proceed, if you have any question or any contribution, drop it in the comments section. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Now the next step is final effects, no post-production. Click on add effect. The first effect is the 2-point perspective. Add it. Click on effect, depth of field. Now let's adjust it a bit. Amount 13.2. The real skies. Let's use the clear sky. Now for the brightness, let's increase it a bit to 1.4. The sun. Let's reduce the sun brightness a little bit. The shadows, let's increase the shadow range a little bit. 420, it's okay. Now turn on the soft shadow and the fine detail shadows. Reflection, enable it, and let's pick the plane. The first plane is the floor. Let's pick the table and this glass over here. Add the next effect, hyperlight, enable it. Now we need to reduce the amount, reduce to 7.5%. The skylight, let's increase the brightness a bit, increase to 1.4. The next effect we are going to apply is the color correction. Let's make some adjustments. The temperature, adjust it to 0.2. Then the tint, let's adjust it a bit, 0.1. I think this looks better. The vibrance, let's adjust it to 0.2. Then the brightness, adjust it to 0.7. The contrast, fine, let's make it 0.8. The next effect, go over to camera exposure, we leave it at 0.5. Then the last effect, enhancement, let's use the sharpen, adjust it a little bit, 0.8. I think this is okay. Now the next step is render settings. Always render at high quality. Click on render. We are gonna use the render poster. And before we render, if you need this preset, I will leave a link for you in the description section to download it. Let's use poster, save it to desktop. Okay, save it. Alright, let's give it some time to render. If you want to learn how to create a realistic exterior rendering, I made a video of that. Check the link in the description and watch it. Alright, we are almost done. Let's open the folder. This is the final result. Clean, realistic and professional. Rendered entirely in Lumion. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more Revit, Lumion and architectural visualization tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.